You are going to love the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote engine start, roof rails, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.